Hi, I'm Jeremy from Lingo. Yes, this is a Chinese idiom. In this lesson, we're going to learn 动不动就动不动就 Word by word 动 move 动 move 不 no 不 no 动 move 动 move 就 right after 就 right after. So this phrase means it happened so frequent, very frequent. Sometimes you can translate it into a related English phrase frequently, frequently. Let me give you some examples. 有话好好说，别动不动就哭。有话好好说，别动不动就哭。Well, if there's any problem, we can solve it together, right? And you can tell me, so don't just cry whenever you meet any problems. Don't cry so frequently and so easily. So this is how I understand this sentence. Let me give you one example. 现在去医院看病，动不动就要花几千块。现在去医院看病，动不动就要花几千块。It means nowadays, if we go to hospital, right, it could easily cost us thousands of dollars. So right here, 动不动就 means easily. It can easily cost us thousands of dollars. It refers to a thing that, will happen like 99, at the probability at a 99%, so it happens pretty often. It's a 大概率事件。大概率事件 means, 动不动就 like it is a 大概率事件. It means like it happens at a very high percentage. I'm your host Jeremy and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program and find our program videos are very helpful, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.